What's up YouTube, it's your boy Carvin's Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, man, we're going to be talking about should you buy an Infiniti G35 as your first car. Now if you're in high school or if you're an adult and you're just looking to buy your first car, or you're looking to buy your first Infiniti, should you buy an Infiniti G35? I'm going to answer all you guys' questions right now. The first thing that I like to mention is that these cars are not expensive like they used to be. I believe MSRP back in 2004 when this first came out, probably like in the 30,000s, but now you can easily find a clean one like I did that's under 100K for like maybe 10. They go for the most is like 10, maybe even 12. They sell them at a real good affordable price now. They're not bad, you know, they won't break your pockets. If you find like a fair one, you could probably get one for like maybe 5, 6, 7,000. So the first thing is that they're real affordable. And as you can see, man, let's just go ahead and look around the car, man. This car look really, really good, man. Look at this, man. For a 2004, oh man. For a 2004, just look how good this look, man. It look real good. The second thing that I want to mention is that they are reliable. Despite what you hear, these cars are reliable. They'll definitely get you from point A to B with no problem. I haven't had any issues with this car. Now, fairly, I don't really drive it as much, but I had this car for almost 2 years now, and I did do a little bit of driving in it. I had bought this car at 88,000 miles. It's now at 100,000 miles now. So I did do a fairly amount of driving in this car, and I haven't had really no issues with this car. It's been a good car. The only thing I did with this car was I did spark plugs, valve covers, changed some oil, and I believe that was about it. But it's been pretty cool. It's been a pretty solid car, and I love it. The only thing that happened today is that the battery died. That's the only thing that happened within the 2 years of me owning this car, is that the battery was dead. That's the reason why the car is on right now, is because the battery died and I needed to charge. But besides all that, the car's been great. If you decide to get this car as your first car, you don't have to worry about reliability. This car is good. Now, the only thing that I always say in all my videos, you guys, is that make sure you get the service records on any Infiniti G you get, G35 or G37. Make sure you get those service records just so you know that the car has been maintained well, and make sure that you don't get a car that's been abused. Like if I was selling this car, you'll come up. The third thing is that these cars have good power. This is a 2004. At the crank, you get 290 horsepower. This car has great power, man. I ain't gonna lie, it has great power. I believe to the wheel, you probably get around 250 horsepower. But definitely has great power, especially if you're in high school and this is your first car and you're not used to power. This is the perfect car for you. You still have that good power, but it's not crazy fast, and it won't make you go crazy and bap into a tree or something, you know what I'm saying? So if you're like a beginner driver and you want something fast, I definitely suggest this car. Definitely have good power. Let's go ahead and pop the hood for you guys. So in this car, as you can see, you get a V6 3.5 liter. They come in automatic or manual. You can get the automatic is a 5-speed and the manual is a 6-speed, but as you can see, man, it's cool, man. Nice V6 3.5 liter. I did add on a Stillen Z-tube, which gives you just a little bit more power, and I added in a K&N air filter, but that's about it. But stock, this car definitely gives you good power, and like I said, it's reliable. You can go ahead and push it and still be reliable. Great car, great motor. Good job, Nissan. And then the fourth thing, what I want to say is that the car looks good for it to be almost a 20-year-old car. I mean, look at the car. Let's take another walk around. But my favorite part of the car is the back. That's my favorite part. Favorite part of this car is the back of the car. Look at that. This thing looked like it could be wide body so bad. Like I want to do like a wide body kit. This is a 2004 Infiniti G35. I just want to mention that these lights do not come on this car. I bought these are like the JDM lights with, you know, how the way they look in Japan pretty much. You know, they have the little amber light instead of the red light. And then also these wheels do not come on the 04. I believe they come on the 05 through 07. But yeah, these lights and those wheels do not come on this car. Like I said, man, this is a 04, bro. Look how good this car looks. It looks so good. This car looks amazing. The only thing I wish I had with this one, I wish I had the Brembo package, but I might try to find some on OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace and go ahead and put them on, or just get the Z1 brakes or the Akibonos. I don't know. But the only thing that's kind of outdated to me is the front of the car. The front of the car is kind of ugly now. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of ugly, but it's a lot of things that you could change that. You can get a new bumper. You can get new headlights. The bumper is not too bad for me. It's really these headlights, man. And this is something that I've been need to replace, that I'm going to be replacing very, very soon. So if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe now so you guys can see the full transformation of this G35, because I'm trying to get this car to 300 wheel horsepower NA by just putting, you know, bolt-on parts. So, you know, if you want to follow that, go ahead and follow the journey. If you haven't subscribed now, go ahead and subscribe now. But yeah, man, the car looks good, man. I really can't complain. Car looks good. Do a little side shot. Car still looks good for it to be almost 20 years old. I know a lot of cars in 04 that I wouldn't even drive. I wouldn't even touch. So for this to be a 04, almost 20 years old, the car looks great, phenomenal. But now we're gonna come towards the end of this video. I just wanna go ahead and mention a few key points. One is about the miles per gallon. Now these cars are gas guzzlers, so if you're looking to get one as your first car, just know that you're going to be at the gas station a lot, and it takes premium gas. It takes 91. So, or if you're in New York, 93, or you know, anywhere else besides California, 93. And it has a pretty big tank. So for me, I usually spend from E to F about $85, and I'm in California though. I'm in California, so about $85 to $90 with this car. So yeah, just know you're gonna be paying at the pump for sure, but everything else, man, is good. I love it. I want to show you guys how good the exhaust sound. So like I was saying, y'all, this car sounds good, man. There's a lot of mods that you can do on this car too as well. So if you want to do some Need for Speed or back in my era, Midnight Club type ish, then this car is for you. Got a lot of supporting mods that you can do, and you know, you can go out the way and boost it too. But I definitely recommend you buying an Infiniti G35. You definitely wouldn't regret it, or a G37, either or. But out of the 35 and the 37, I like my 35 more. Just look at it, man. Just look at it. It just looks timeless, man. This car is iconic. I would definitely suggest you buy this Infiniti G35. You'll definitely be happy with it. It's not a bad car, despite what everybody say. Automatic, manual, whatever you want to get, go ahead and get. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you watched this video, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe right now. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Let me know, do you already have a G35? Let me know your opinion on your G35. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let everybody know in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.